LG has finally announced its 2024 OLED TV, showing just how far its innovations in AI, panel technology, and audio stand in relation to its previous lineups. On the mind of many is its LG G4 OLED Evo TV, a behemoth of a display that ranges from 55-inch to 97-inch. It's set to be one of LG's most competitive models this year, making a name for itself among the best TVs at CES 2024. Starting out with performance, the LG G4 features a next-generation MLA, micro lens array, OLED panel that LG Display, the business segment of LG that supplies OLED panels to the LG Electronics division, claims to be capable of 3000 nits peak brightness. And while it's unlikely that actual OLED TVs arriving in 2024 will achieve that level of peak light output, LG Electronics has announced that the new G4 TVs will be up to 70% brighter than conventional OLED TVs, such as the company's forthcoming B4 series. LG's signature OLED technology creates an incredible watching experience and stellar picture quality illuminated with over 8 million self-lit pixels. Take in rich and accurate colors from the brightest to darkest parts of the scene thanks to 100% color volume and with 100% color fidelity. Enjoy smooth, crisp picture and sound no matter what you watch with AI Picture Pro and AI Super Upscaling. See movies in perfected tone with AI Director processing. Multi-view lets you split your screen into 4 unique views so you can watch even more than before. Experience crisp, smooth imagery from a 0.1 milliseconds response time and up to 144 Hz refresh rate to let you game at blinding speed without any blurring or tearing to keep up with the fastest games. Plus, NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium and VRR further improve gaming quality. 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs allow you to plug in all the devices you need. Whether you game on consoles or on the cloud, the LG Game Dashboard and Game Optimizer put all the control at your fingertips. Kindly check the description box below for full technical details. Thank you.